How to verify the status of an installed microwave radio from ground level using the Spectrum Compact. 1. Attach a coax to waveguide converter to the Spectrum Compact using a coaxial cable. 2. Move away from the tower to approximately a distance equal to the antenna height above ground level. Direct coaxial to waveguide converter towards the antenna at about a 45-degree angle. Coaxial to waveguide converter works as small directional antenna. 3. Enter the center frequency of the desired channel and adjust span to minimum. 4. A spectrum curve will appear on your Spectrum Compact screen, indicating that your radio is operational. If the Spectrum Compact displays noise instead, it means the radio is not transmitting. SAF Spectrum Compact, designed with field engineer in mind.